guys, it's Mr. Wix100 here, and I am back with another Wildcard Wednesday. And in this video, I will be solving this Rubik's Cube as fast as I can. Now, I haven't solved the Rubik's Cube since about the end of the school year, so I am just a bit rusty. But my fastest time is, I don't know, 36 seconds, I think. So I am going to see if I can go faster than that. Probably can't, but let's try. So, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as you can see in the corner, it seems like I got 54.801 seconds, which is not one of my fastest times. It's one of my slower times, actually. My average is around 48 seconds, I think. 46, maybe. So, let's see if I can... The clear button doesn't seem to be working. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this, and when it loads, I will restart the timer and see if I can get faster. So while we're waiting, the camera I'm using is actually, I have a app on my phone called IP Stopwatch, or no, IP Webcam, and then I have it going to a browser, and then I have a browser source on OBS for that, and then the timer is actually online-stopwatch.com, online-stopwatch.com, and I'm using the big stopwatch on it. I think it's called large stopwatch, yeah, to time it, and I just have things covering all 4 sides next to it so that you can't see the start button or anything else. Okay, so I am going to try again. Let's see how fast I can go. Oh wait, I have to scramble it first. And sorry if I get out of frame of it. I'm looking at the cube, not at my camera. So if I move out like that or that while solving, then it's just because I'm not looking directly at the camera. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, 46 seconds. Or 46.352 seconds. I like that time. Okay, so actually, I'm going to write that time down quickly. 46.352. Okay. I don't know why that clear button doesn't work. I have to keep refreshing the page in order to do it again. And I am going to do one more solve, and then I think that's gonna be it for this episode. And I would actually like to do more of these, so maybe without the normal Rubik's Cube, and do I don't know, I have a called the Void Cube. It's just like a Rubik's Cube, except it's missing its center on all sides, which is also neat. And then, whoops, I dropped something. And then I also have the mix-up cube, which the way it's different is I can turn this 45, and then I can still turn it, which allows it to mix up even more. That's the name, mix-up cube. So I might do videos with those. I also have a few other puzzles and stuff. Okay, so let's solve. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that one was 48.852 seconds. That wasn't a bad time either. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, click the like button down below the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section. If you would like to see more of this type of video, let me know. I really enjoyed it. I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to do this video until, well, when I did it. If you want to see more of my stuff, check out my channel and my Twitter and my YouTube, or not my YouTube, I already said that, my website. I can't think right now. And until next time, bye.